Can you say vroom vroom? There you go, vroom vroom. Yeah, buddy. Vroom vroom.
First car.
And all set in this for when the weather warms up. Cheese. Say beep beep. Beep beep. Good job. You say thank you. Say thank you. Oh, the TV's too distracting.
All the time I was recording.
Oh no.
Oh, shoot. I was wondering what I was thinking.
Will, can you say thank you?
Thank you.
Can you say miss? Say miss? I'm too busy trying to figure out the thing. Can you say miss? Can you say Sue? Sue?
No.
Okay. Well, thank you, Sue, for the lovely little car. That is great.
Oh, you look so good in it, too.
Mm-hmm.
All right.